12 signs your wife might be about to leave you. Is your marriage feeling different lately? Are you wondering if your wife is planning to leave you? Relationships evolve, and sometimes that change can feel unsettling. If you've been noticing shifts in her behavior, it's natural to worry. While no single sign guarantees an impending breakup, a combination of changes might indicate she's preparing to move on. Here are 12 signs that could suggest your wife is considering ending your marriage. Let's explore these indicators so you can better understand what's happening and what you might be able to do about it. 1. She doesn't ask to spend time together. Have you noticed that your wife no longer suggests spending quality time with you? In the past, she might have planned dinner dates, movie nights, or weekend outings, but now those invitations have disappeared. It's not just about being busy. It's about a lack of interest in sharing moments with you. When someone stops seeking connection, it could mean they've emotionally distanced themselves. If she's no longer checking whether you'll be home for dinner or inviting you to do things together, it's a significant sign that something's amiss. 2. There's no intimacy between you anymore. Physical intimacy often reflects emotional closeness. If it's been weeks or months since you've been intimate, and even small gestures like hugs, kisses, or hand-holding have disappeared, this is a red flag. Intimacy isn't just about sex. It's also about the little moments that keep couples bonded. If she's pulling away from these connections and even initiating separate sleeping arrangements, it's worth examining why she feels the need to create this distance. 3. She's been decluttering. At first glance, decluttering might seem harmless or even practical. However, if she's suddenly obsessed with going through drawers, closets, and personal belongings, there may be a deeper motive. Packing away sentimental items or getting rid of things could indicate she's preparing for a new chapter, one without you. Pay attention to whether she's safeguarding items she's emotionally attached to while discarding things that connect her to your shared life. 4. Unexplained expenses are piling up. Have you noticed unusual transactions or unexplained spending from your joint account? She might be setting up a financial safety net by transferring funds to a private account or purchasing essentials for her new life. If money seems to be disappearing without explanation, it's worth addressing this directly. Financial preparation is often a practical step someone takes when they're planning to leave. 5. She no longer asks about you or your family. Your wife used to check in regularly, asking how your day was, whether you needed help, or how your family members were doing. If she stopped asking these questions, it might mean she's no longer emotionally invested in your well-being or the lives of those closest to you. This detachment can signal that she's pulling away from the relationship. 6. She stops reminding you about important things. Remember when she used to remind you about birthdays, appointments, or deadlines? While you might have seen it as nagging, it was her way of ensuring everything ran smoothly. If she stopped doing this, it could mean she's no longer concerned with your shared responsibilities. Letting you forget important dates might indicate that she's stepping back from her role as your partner. 7. She doesn't ask for your help anymore. Many couples divide household tasks, and asking for help is part of maintaining a team dynamic. If she's no longer asking you to pitch in, whether it's fixing something around the house or helping with chores, she might be signaling that she no longer sees you as a teammate. She might be preparing to manage life on her own, or already doing so emotionally. 8. Her schedule includes unexplained absences. Does she now have mysterious appointments or absences she doesn't explain? Maybe she's late coming home from her usual yoga class, or has sudden health appointments. These disruptions in her routine could indicate she's meeting with a divorce lawyer, scouting for new living arrangements, or even seeing someone else. When someone becomes secretive about their time, it's worth exploring why. 9. She's adopted new interests or hobbies. A sudden change in hobbies, appearance, or lifestyle might indicate she's redefining herself. Has she started listening to new music, overhauled her wardrobe, or adopted a different worldview? These changes often reflect a desire to align with a new phase in life, sometimes driven by external influences, like a new social circle or romantic interest. 10. She's spending more time with friends and family. Strong social bonds are essential for emotional support, especially during life transitions. If your wife is spending more time with her friends and family than usual, she might be leaning on them for advice or support. Strengthening these connections can be a sign that she's preparing to move on and will need her support network in place when she does. 11. She cancels plans and avoids future discussions. Has she stopped talking about future vacations, home renovations, or other long-term plans? If she's canceling current plans with excuses like saving money or focusing on other priorities, it might mean she no longer envisions a shared future with you. This avoidance of long-term commitments is often a telltale sign that something is wrong. 12. She's stopped arguing with you. Arguments, while unpleasant, show that someone cares enough to engage. If your wife no longer bothers to argue or share her opinions, it's a sign that she might be emotionally disengaged. Indifference is often more concerning than conflict because it suggests she's already checked out of the relationship. What you can do. Recognizing these signs doesn't mean your marriage is doomed. It's an opportunity to address the underlying issues and potentially save your relationship. Here's how you can respond. Start an honest conversation. Ask her how she's feeling and if she's unhappy. Approach the discussion with empathy and a genuine desire to understand her perspective. Take responsibility. Reflect on your own actions and how they might have contributed to the current state of your relationship. Acknowledging your role can open the door to healing. Seek counseling. A professional counselor can help both of you navigate your emotions and find ways to reconnect. Sometimes, an unbiased third party can facilitate breakthroughs. Rebuild trust and intimacy. Show her that you're committed to making changes. Small gestures, like listening without judgment and making her feel valued, can go a long way. Final thoughts. If you suspect your wife might be about to leave, it's important to approach the situation calmly and thoughtfully. Don't jump to conclusions or act out of fear. Instead, use these observations as an opportunity to reconnect and address the challenges in your marriage. Relationships take effort, and understanding your partner's needs is a crucial step towards strengthening your bond. Remember, while these signs can indicate trouble, they're also a chance to rebuild and grow. With the right approach, you may not only save your marriage, but also create a deeper, more meaningful connection than ever before. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.